Uh, Welcome to our channel. So major problem is called Pinterest marketing. So how you can getting my traffic to my website using Pinterest marketing? So first of all, I'm selecting one of the website name is called Nara MEP training website. Okay. In this we have selecting one course will be here. The course will be Beam online training course in Bangalore. The people will be calling will be this keyword will be two names. Revit MEP online training or Beam online training. Suppose I am searching for Beam online training. When I click here, see this, which image will be shown for here? Revit MEP online training will be shown to the Google. That is called the image will be highlighted based on the Pinterest option. So how to use my Pinterest? First of all, install your Pinterest toolbar. That is called simple Pinterest save button. Click this. Already I'm added the option. First select your page. Okay. Copy. Toolbar installer. Simple. Click add your boards. Only one thing. Image same, link same. Only your option will be one link, one image, add minimum 10 to 15 keywords. Relevant. How to add? Click. This how many will be characters supported? 50. This will be how many? 40. So they will accept it. Above 50 will be not accepted. Click it. And one more thing important, the keyword already exists. They can't support. So we will close it. You will only do one task, create the board, training, remove it, Bangalore. So what are the keyword you created? Refresh it. They will show here. So how many people, number of way, that is important. And sir, I'm searching will be Bangalore will be here. Suppose can I promote this same keyword to different location? Yes, you can do it. Suppose here is the Bangalore is there. I can do for India. Reason? I mean, provide online training in Bangalore. Anyone can join any country. So what will happen? Well, click here, visit this one, click this board. The keyword will be India. The Bangalore keyword I'm adding will be India. After India will be done. Change, copy, close this option. Board, refresh. Mode was created, not you can check it out. Suppose it is training institute, suppose in Bangalore, it will not valid. Online training institute is there. Online framework can sit any place to connect your particular web pages. Same like that. If you're using for Hyderabad keyword, entire Hyderabad, how many locations are there? You can use it. If you're using for New York, suppose in US, other countries, what are the cities in New York? All keywords are using for New York, one keyword and one location. Link same, image same, and keyword will be changed. New York, how many cities are there? That all will be into one link and one image. Is it clear? If you are go to this, suppose you are adding for online training institute in Madhapur. Nearby, what are the nearby areas? Madhapur nearby, Hyderabad city, Gachibowli, Kondapur, you can cover it, the particular link. Why? We can use option name is called near me, Gachibowli, comma, Madhapur. You can use the simultaneously two keywords. It's not done. You can add by one keyword, enough. But up to 50 characters supporting for each link with the same image, same link, keyword will be changed. In one link and one image, what are the areas you have? 100 keywords, 200 keywords, finish it. That is your task will be one link. You will done by the that improve your particular keyword. Where it is visible, same like that. Now, if Chennai is not available, after a few days, my website will showing will be same thing like this. Not India also not there here. Same how it will show my image, same like this will be happen from the search results also. Pinterest will be showing will be image option and the search results also. Both can applicable in the particular option. So follow this method and use your Pinterest. So and given by the other keyword is called Hyderabad. So click it. So if anything wrong or we can visit This is online training, not for the training institute. If you are the training institute in a Bangalore, don't will be valid for Hyderabad. So in a Bangalore to people anywhere reaching for Hyderabad also, they can reaching through Bangalore website. So this is the way we have to promoting in one link, one image with multiple keywords that is increase your website traffic. Relevant areas are nearby. We can promote through one link and one image. Keywords will be changed. One link and one image increase the number of keywords. That is getting for more traffic on your website and more people about your brand awareness. This is a follow method. Use Pinterest and increase your website traffic. If any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.